Hey guys, so we're vlogging today. We look bummy, but we're supposed to be studying, but you know.
Sometimes we just need a break.
It's the third week of school and we're depressed. So we're actually looking for luggage because we're going.
Where's my munch?
Oh, I don't have one no more. It's gonna be a hot girl winter.
Nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass?
Hot boy winner with 10 million.
I'm waiting. New bag.
No.
Hold on, wait. These actually eat. Wait.
You know what eats?
A munch.
Look at this.
It's Patchy the pirate. What you gotta say to the camera? Oh, I was scared the alarm was gonna be.
So I was like, we're catch it on camera.
We just got down boosting at, yeah. Well, me, not her.
Yeah,
but
my shit. Cause look.
Listen.
We got arrested.
Yeah. Tom's is horror. And the dollar bill about to go up, so.
I'm gonna post.
Alrighty, next stop we at
Tarjay.
Tarjay Lusha.
Wait, over there.
Hold on. I brought my tripod, so I gotta use my hand. So. Oh, that's cute as fuck.
What?
This lighting right here, like.
No. So happy.
Literally. The sky. They're about to drop a bomb! So she just got done taking the fattest shit in Target. Like, that shit stinks so bad. Like,
Yeah, you can smell it out here. Shopping. Did that mannequin just move?
is it really though?
Aww. So cute. I'm like,
What's your name?
Lavar.
Yo, we really don't be having nothing to do with our lives for real, so we just come to Target and fuck it up.
Yeah, like we use this place as a therapy. Well, I do.
That was louder than what I thought. Think about where. I don't read books. I can barely read. Why are you leaving me?
Honey, I was not gonna leave you.
Yes, you were.
Come back.
Or what?
I'm driving without you.
On that note, I'm coming back. Yeah, I know we'll be out here trapping with the druggios. You know, we got you.
The fish oil.
Or, you know, they even got the bigger one, you know. Just hit us up. Like, you need some Mally? We got you. You need some calcium? We got you. You need some ashwagandha? We got. Why's my mom calling me? So we're leaving Target. We got the goodies, you know. We didn't record much in there because the vibe wasn't giving record. So we're gonna give y'all a mukbang.
Oh, we should just do a Q&A.
Q&A? Alright, let's do it.
Instagram right now?
Yeah,
let's
be
both
like,
post,
alright.
post.
I'm weak. Oh, this lighting. Eesh. Don't, not too much on the ash. Not too much. But we got Chipotle. Yes, we got Chipotle.
And we have some questions.
Yes. Yes. How to be?
We have a lot of questions.
You go ahead with your first one.
first question. Are we a virgin?
I'm not.
I'm still a virgin. I think I want to wait for marriage.
No,
We were gonna
cause
get a camera today, but Best Buy was closed.
why do the chips taste like cereal? Anyway. Okay. The next question is
So goofy.
how old are we? Well, I'm 21. No, I'm kidding. I wish.
Oh, mood. How much he is? 21, y'all. Let me find out. You go to the liquor store every day.
I'm 18.
I'm dead. Oh, no, I'm not dead. I'm 19, y'all.
19. Y'all, if y'all come to Chipotle, make sure y'all get the vinaigrette and an extra wrap, because these bowls be a little bit too big.
I haven't had Chipotle in like so long. I haven't had Chipotle because I always go to Sasaritas.
I'm sorry, this is so good.
Somebody asked if we were gay.
If we what?
Somebody asked if we're gay.
Are we gay? Like,
Yeah,
or gang?
gay.
Oh, okay. I mean, yes, I am a part of the LGBTQ.
I am not, but I'm not homophobic, I promise.
Yeah, because if she was,
We wouldn't be friends.
what drink is this? The
Strawberry, pomegranate, and apple cider.
y'all better come get one of these. What is it?
It's a strawberry, pomegranate, apple cider drink with a Chipotle bowl.
It'll tasty real good. She filled this motherfucker up.
Ooh.
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I don't be know how to eat these bowls because like they be so stuffed and
Mood.
they just be alive.
I like it. Somebody asked us if we go to school.
Yes, we do go to school.
Yeah, we just started actually this year.
We just started college. Community college,
Who
not
we-
too much. We're not on the university.
Bitch.
We're
It's our second week, and I'm done.
it's third.
Well, third, and I'm done. And we're on probation, so we can't like.
We can't quit because we're on financial probation because they think we're gonna steal their money because we're black.
Which doesn't make any fucking sense. It's the first time I went to college and dropped out. I paid it on my own. So why the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. And I'm a freshman, so don't know why I didn't get it, but shit, I still might drop out.
If we go back to quarantine, y'all, I'm done.
The quarantine really could happen again. I don't know. Really don't know because that was a crazy time.
Yeah.
Being in your house by yourself, all alone, not doing nothing, watching TV, and get fat all the time.
You know what's funny is that during quarantine, I would eat a bunch of sweets, but I never like gained weight.
Yeah. Were you like outside a lot?
No, it was inside. I'm dead. Somebody asked, where do we see ourselves in the future? Yeah.
I'm making a mess.
We need something like this.
Wait.
It's gonna fall. What that chip bag gonna do? Chip bag ain't gonna hold nothing, bro. Like, I don't know. Okay, for real. Somebody asked us where do we see ourselves in the future. Honestly, I see myself, hopefully, I'm retaking real estate. So, maybe having my realtor license and a contractor, y'all.
I see myself in the future being a model. I mean, I already am, but you know, my big ass house, my big ass car, my 10-car garage. I see myself being a personal trainer because
We should just make a YouTube video on at Starbucks.
that's right up.
Dude, us to recording ourselves. You know what's funny is that this is a video that we're gonna go back to. Honey, you okay, honey? God damn. Look at mine, right? Look at him. Oh my goodness.
Break me off a piece of that donkey. Break me off a piece of that donkey. Break me off a piece of that donkey. That donkey. That donkey. Break me off a piece of that.